In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate GoHighLevel with Google Sheets. This is a powerful combination that can streamline your workflow and help you efficiently manage data between these two platforms. Let's get started by diving into the details of setting this integration up. The first thing you'll need to do is connect your Google account with GoHighLevel. To begin this process, navigate to the Settings menu within your GoHighLevel dashboard. Once there, look for the section labeled Integrations. This is where you'll set the groundwork for connecting the two platforms. The integration section is crucial because it acts as a bridge, facilitating communication between GoHighLevel and various external services like Google Sheets. Once you're in the integrations area, you'll see an option to connect your Google account. Clicking on this option will lead you to a Google authentication page. Here, you'll need to log in to the Google account you want to link with GoHighLevel if you're not already logged in. When doing this, choose the Google account you regularly use for your spreadsheets to ensure you're linking the correct information. After logging in, you'll be prompted to grant permissions for your Google Sheets. It's important to understand what these permissions entail. By granting access, you're allowing GoHighLevel to view and manage your spreadsheets, which is essential for the integration to work seamlessly. The integration needs these permissions to read, edit, and manipulate data as needed without manual intervention. Once you've granted the necessary permissions, the connection between GoHighLevel and your Google account is established. This is the foundation that allows you to move forward and starts to streamline your workflow. You can now utilize this link to automate tasks and keep your data synchronized across platforms. At this point, everything should be set up correctly, and you'll be able to utilize the full capabilities of Google Sheets within GoHighLevel. This integration can significantly increase your productivity by automating data transfer, reducing manual entry errors, and allowing for easy data monitoring and analysis through the powerful tools Google Sheets offers. If you're interested in more detailed instructions or specific use cases, be sure to refer to the official documentation provided by GoHighLevel. The resources are comprehensive and can provide even deeper insights into maximizing the potential of this integration. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your Google account to GoHighLevel, enabling a seamless integration with Google Sheets. Don't forget to take full advantage of this newfound capability to enhance your data management strategies. Thanks for watching, and happy integrating!